video. In today's video I will show you how to play a video using like a video which is present on a network as well as a local video. So I will show you both for a macOS app, native macOS application. So here, as you can see, I have created a native macOS application, and you first things you will have to go to sign in and capabilities over here, and you will have to check this incoming connection as well as outgoing connection if you are loading a video from network. And here you can see I am able to load a video from network. So as you can see over here, so firstly what you will have to do is just go to your view controller, and inside that here you can see that I have imported AV Foundation as well as AV Kit. Then I have created AVPlayer view, and inside AVPlayer view I have just created, so here you can pass whatever URL you want to. So I will first show you for how to load video from network. So pass whatever URL you have. Then here we are creating our AVPlayer. Then AVPlayer requires a AVPlayer view, so we are initializing that and then assigning our player to AVPlayer view. Then this is for adding some NS layout constraints. So here you can see I'm adding our view to our player view to our view, and I have just added NS layout constraints so that it can occupy the entire width and height, and just calling player.play. So yeah, that's it. Now this is all for loading video from a network. Now if you just want to load a video which is present inside your project, so here you can see I have added a video, Big Bug Bunny, and here what you will have to do is just comment out this line, just add this line, and just replace this with whatever name you have and whatever extension you have. So and if you run your application again, you should be able to see your video playing. So here you can see I can see my video playing. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.